Hey guys, it's Emily and Bobby from Emily's Extraordinary Creations, and today, okay, yeah, I can't do that because I have my hair in a bun. I did this little thing. Hey guys, wait, no. Hey guys, I'm back with another slime video. I'm Emily, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you're notified every single time I post a new video. And comment down below if you've made slime, felt slime, anything. If you like slime videos. And I got Bobby from Dave and Buster's today. Thank you. You're awesome. My brother just made that light up in the background right there, so it says boo. And now I think he's gonna turn. But it was nice for a little bit. So that was a super long, like 2-minute intro. No, probably more like a minute and a half. But anyways, let's get on with the video. Starting with this slime. So I purchased all these slimes with my money. This one is kind of weird. This is it slides. I don't know why it does that. What is that? The lid slides, but it comes off pretty easy. I don't know what that stuff is right there. Looks really gross. It's not like something really gross. I think it's just okay. This smells fantastic. And my brother just took one of my slimes, so he's playing with it, but it's inside the container, so it doesn't really work. So this is a very small miniature slime, and it was $2. Kind of frustrates me. It is a fluffy slime, and it is scented, and it's $2, and it comes with some snazzy container. So, pretty neat, pretty cool, but I still probably would have saved my money because the slime is not that starchy. Well, actually, it's pretty starchy. My brother's playing with a better slime that I have over there. My brother just touched it, and his hands are now blue, and I don't know why. My hands didn't turn blue. So, my hands do not turn blue, I guess, when I play with it. This is pumpkin scented, and Halloween's tomorrow, so it kind of works out. And it's so excited for Halloween. Comment down below if you're excited for Halloween, and if you can do a slime swirl with a tiny slime, or if you've ever gotten like ripped off with slime. As you can see right here. This is not a skit, this is literally how it seems. Then this one, my brother already showed you. I don't get it. None of this stuff is left on my hands when I play with it. No, my hands are not blue.
Hold it there for a long.
Dang it, now it's blue.
What is it?
Yeah, well, it comes off.
Does it come off?
Blue.
What did you write on your
Okay.
pen?
This slime, I don't know, it's kind of faded.
If you play Fortnite and you're better than Allie, comment. Because that's me.
He's not better than Allier. I don't even know who Allier is. So, yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Allie back from another band. And today we're going to be showing you how to clickbait.
So that was a very awkward thing, and an awkward silence that just happened right there. And he's calling me cute too. Yeah. So, an okay butter slime, not really my favorite. And as you can see, it leaves blue everywhere. So that's kind of annoying and frustrating. That my slime. And this is not scented. Can you go? Shoo, shoo, shoo. Do your Fortnite stuff. Someone else. Ah. My slime just fell on the floor. Luckily it was in the container. Okay, so my next slime is this one. So this didn't have a name. This was fluffy slime. The sticky note for this one fell off. And this one is everything gold. But what I find funny, I honestly don't care at all. But when I'm playing with it, I noticed that there's one blue sparkle. There's one one blue glitter. And it just, is that it? Where'd it go? Just saw it. I just want to be part of your symphony. This is probably my favorite out of these three so far. It's probably one of my favorites. Well, actually, no, it's not my favorite. It's my third favorite. It has a really strong scent, but not like too strong. Like it's like the perfect amount. And the other ones are just not really as much. And so this one is really good for the scent. It's pumpkin again. It's like pumpkin spice. The reason I hate this slime, yes I hate it kind of. Part of me adores it and loves it and loves the smell. And it's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is actually a scent. And then the other little bit of me, little sliver of me, is like my hands, my eyes are like, oh my gosh, I can't even do this. Like this is not good. Like I hate this slime. Everything else is because I don't know if you can see, but there's glitter all over my hands from this slime. By the way, I don't remember what's on my arm. Looks like it says exclamation right there, but I don't know what it says really. My dog's about to jump up here. Let's see. You ready to say hi to Bobby? Steve. By the way, his name's Steve. Say hi, everybody. Go, what? So, that's that, and I'm going to quickly do these other two. Oh, there's a little bit. Okay. So, now I have this one, which is from T-Rex Slimes. I did not enjoy the price very much, and I changed the color to my own. It was a light blue, and it kind of looked like purple. Or, no, it was like a kind of dark blue, kind of light, you know. And then, I thought it was purple.
Okay, wrap it up.
So, it is a cloud slime and it was $11, which is kind of ridiculous if you think about it. Super skinny though.
Right. Wrap it up.
Okay. And then my last slime, but definitely not least. This one, by the way, has like 15 cents. It's stored in the sour cream thing. It is a butter slime. That's Bobby, if you want to say hi.
It's whipped cream.
So this is probably overall my favorite
Can't
slime.
look down.
Probably a tie though between this one and this one, but
It's the one that
I
goes
think
up,
this one is
doesn't go
actually
down.
my favorite slime. The second favorite, because this one is just better.
So squished. I can't even.
So it's really nice. And I don't know. This one just was really expensive. I made this one myself. Obviously. Okay.
Better.
So, anyways, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Hope you did. And subscribe and turn on post notifications so you're notified every single time I post a new video. And comment down below any video suggestions, or if you like slime, any of that stuff. If you like arcade games, if you like Bobby, anything really that will help me be more successful. If there's any videos you'd like to see that I haven't shown you yet, I'll do it, hopefully. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna try this cool thing that I see a lot of people do, like face zoom in.